and give you a customized way to connect to the apps that maybe you haven't pinned and get to notifications about things that are happening, as well as get quick access to settings. So I'm going to come up here and pull down from the top and show you our new Action Center in Windows Phone 8.1. Yes, thank you. We know this is something that a lot of our users have been asking for, so here it is. And if you look down from the top, the first thing you'll see is it shows you more detail about things like your actual battery percentage. If I had dual SIM running on my phone, whoops, I think I pulled the power cord out there. If I had dual SIM running on my phone, I'd see information about both of my SIMs with their name. Up here, you'd see these 4 buttons are customizable quick settings. I can set whatever I would like. And down below are the notifications coming from all my apps. And as app developers, we're putting you in a position to really control what's shown in those notifications through new APIs that give you control. And the user has great control as well, because they can decide which apps should cause the phone to vibrate or make a sound or just show up in the Action Center and so on. So, as you see, I brought this down over the lock screen. It's accessible wherever you are in the UI, really very convenient. Now, the second thing we've done to make Windows Phone feel even more personal is a feature that lets you greatly personalize your lock screen. And I'm pretty sure this is something that none of you have seen before. In Windows Phone 8, we had support for applications to set a background image behind lock. But in Windows Phone 8.1, we've implemented a new set of APIs for the lock screen, which we're using ourselves for a little while before we publish them all to you. These APIs enable lock screen experiences that are highly interactive and unique, where the application can take over full control and really render whatever it would like. As the first app to use these, we've been collaborating with Rudy Hoyne. You all know Rudy Hoyne, star Windows Phone developer behind Wikipedia and SixTag and SixChat. And he's been working with us to build out a first experience, which we, Microsoft, are going to publish in the store in the coming months to give users a wide range of highly varied lock screen themes. So in this case, this is one that's called Diagonal. And you can see the app has got complete control over the lock screen. And when I move and touch, it shows the time and calendar and notification information in a unique way. And when I unlock, it unlocks. And I'm actually going to come over here and switch to a different one to give you a sense for how widely varied these lock screen experiences can be. I mean, the sky is the limit in terms of what all of you will be able to do with this creativity once it's available. Here you can see my day of the week is displayed completely differently. The arrangement of things on the screen is different. And up here you see this cool sort of, this one's called Tokyo. These 3 balls all align very nicely when I pan right up to the top, and then it unlocks. So there's a wide range of possibilities here, and we think our end users will love the creative flexibility that will be possible with these new lock screens. Now, third, of course, we've evolved the heart and soul of Windows Phone, the Start screen. And so I'm going to pan over here, and the first thing you'll notice on my small device, with Windows Phone 8.1, users have the option to choose a high density, lots of tiles layout where they get 3 columns of cross of tiles. And I'm going to jump in here to Settings and go to the Start and Theme area, where you can see down here there's an on-off switch for showing more tiles. I'll leave that turned on. So that's one way we're letting users greatly customize their Start screen. But another thing we're doing here is we're letting people choose a background for Start. So I'm going to choose background and go into the set of backgrounds that we've supplied, because I like this one here with this cool green texture, which matches my phone. I'll say OK, and then you can see there that photo has been selected. And now when I go back to Start, voila, I have a really different and beautiful visual appearance for my tiles. All of this is about making Windows Phone more personal and better able to fit your personality and look the way you want and give you customization, because we think when a phone knows you, you have a better experience.